What's up, family? Black Guns and Gardens here. As promised, family, I want to bring you guys my 2022 post-vacation garden update. My 2022 after vacation garden update, y'all. As many of you know, I was on vacation for about a week or so with my family, and the garden was basically left unattended, y'all. The garden was basically left unattended. Or shall I say unattended by man? Because as you will see, the Most High definitely had his hand on this garden, y'all. He definitely had his hand on this garden. Family, let's start here with this Meyer improved lemon tree, y'all. And it is simply loaded, y'all. Check it out. Check it out. That's the Meyer improved lemon tree. Oh yeah. Let's take a walk down Blueberry Boulevard, y'all. I have the Climax blueberry, the Duke blueberry, Tiff Blue blueberry, and several different varieties are on this property, y'all. And they have really produced well this year. They produced early and they produced often, y'all. Yeah. Blueberry Boulevard, fam. Fam, here we have the peaches and cream corn. The peaches and cream corn, as you can see, we have a few ears of corn, y'all. We have a few ears of corn. That is the peaches and cream corn. All right, fam, here we have the Cavendish banana. The Cavendish banana. And we have the Sweetie Pie Blackberry. The Sweetie Pie Blackberry has produced very well this year as well. As you can see, it's kind of dying back now, but it has produced its new cane. And as you know, the fruit next year will be will come on that new cane, y'all. Yeah, the fruit will be on that new cane next year. Oh yeah, that's the Sweetie Pie Blackberry. We also have the ever-bearing mulberry. The ever-bearing mulberry. And we have a few varieties of tomatoes. And they're still producing, y'all. My cucumber plants produce early, y'all, and they produce often as well, y'all. But they're kind of dying back, as you can see. But we still have a few cucumbers. Yeah, we still have a few cucumbers to harvest, y'all. Those are Burpless heirloom cucumbers. We have the hot jalapeno peppers. Sweet basil. And some volunteer sweet potatoes, y'all. Oh yeah. Fam, here we have the Ford Hook Zucchini. The Ford Hook Zucchini. That is a very, very gorgeous plant, y'all. Check it out. Another Ford Hook Zucchini. Yeah. Green bell pepper. Here, fam, we have the Jubilee watermelon vine. The Jubilee watermelon vine. And we, check it out, fam. We have watermelons, y'all. We have watermelons. Oh, yeah. But the Clemson spineless okra. Cana lily. And of course, the mighty Misfit Muscadine, y'all. It is simply loaded. Got the beautiful zinnias. Got this Celeste fig tree, y'all. The Celeste fig tree. Check it out, fam. And fam, this winter, the cold did a number on this Persian lime. But as you can see, it's coming back with a vengeance, y'all. That's a Persian lime tree. Oh yeah. Another canna lily. Had a Florida King peach. Calamundan citrus. And Beauregard sweet potatoes. More beautiful zinnias. And a brown turkey fig, y'all. Variety of flowering plants and all-star strawberries. Oh yeah. Also have seascape strawberries, family. Family, all in all, I would say that the garden fared pretty well, y'all. I would say that the garden fared pretty well. As I stated, I went on vacation. I do most of my watering of the garden by hand. I have no drip irrigation. And the Most High's hand is definitely on this garden, y'all. Oh yeah. As always, family, you know I have to have a companion when I'm in this garden, y'all. I have to have a companion when I'm in this garden. So check it out, fam. It's the Smith & Wesson M&P Shield EZ chambered in 380, y'all. Oh yeah. Check it out, fam. It has an easy to rack slide. Has easy to load magazines, y'all. It makes for a nice concealed carry weapon, fam. Oh yeah. That's a Smith & Wesson M&P Shield EZ chambered in 380. Fam, I appreciate all the support, y'all. I really, really do. I appreciate all the support. Like, share, comment, and subscribe. Black Guns and Gardens out.